All right, to continue our discussion of organic chemistry, we need to talk about polymers. All right, because many organic compounds form polymers. So by the end of this, you will be able to tell me what the difference is between a monomer and a polymer and just some examples. So just looking at those words, breaking them down, what do you think might be the difference? All right, do you know what, maybe these prefixes mean? Mono and poly? Hopefully you said something like mono equals one and poly equals many. Or even if you just recognize that poly was many, right? But that's the whole idea. Polymers are what we call macromolecules. That prefix macro means just big, right? So they're big molecules made out of smaller repeating units called monomers that get bonded together. All right, so a polymer is just a bunch of repeating units. Like starch is a bunch of glucose molecules. All right, it's thousands of them bonded together that make up a starch polymer. That sort of thing. Definitely a good definition to have down here. All right, some breakdown of terms related to polymers. Homopolymers. Homo means same. All right, so that means that in the polymer, there's only one type of monomer, whereas copolymers, co can mean together or different. Those are ones that have more than one kind of polymer. All right, again, some good terms to get definitions down for. All right, so when monomers combine to make polymers, there's a couple different ways they can do this. One very common reaction that you want to be familiar with is what we call a condensation reaction. All right, so here are two, I believe these are glucose molecules, combining to make a polymer of two glucose molecules. All right, so you've got these two OH groups bonding together, giving off a water, and then now they're joined by the one oxygen that's left behind. All right, so what does this make? Make water. All right, condensation is a term related to water. That's what happens when, if you're boiling water and then you cool it back off and it turns back into liquid water. That's called condensation. That's what's going on here. We're making water. All right, so condensation reaction is going to involve two OH groups bonding at one oxygen and making water. All right. So, there you go. An OH group on one monomer reacts with the H on the adjacent monomer to release a water molecule while attaching the monomers. All right, so the two OHs, they take a water, pop those off, and then everything is connected via that one oxygen left behind. Another kind of reaction that can bond monomers together is what is called an addition reaction. These occur when you have double or triple bonds. All right, so the electrons within the double bonds can kind of attack a neighboring double bond to add itself. All right, so it's kind of like these electrons attacked those, and then these ones attack those, and it'll just kind of keep doing that in that pattern. All right, so addition reactions add monomers together by attack via double or triple bonds. So this one's definitely a lot of notes and terminology to get down so that you can spot them in types of questions. Just some common polymers for you to be familiar with. things that you've probably heard of, maybe not by their technical names here, but polystyrene, that's styrofoam. That's a polymer that you've probably used. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, if you've ever used plastic piping, plastic PVC pipes, that's a common polymer. Nylon is in lots of clothing. All right, cotton is different, but nylon, especially, if you wear like workout shorts or something like that, those are often made out of nylon. It's very stretchy. Or polyethylene terephthalate. I might be saying that one wrong, but PET or PETE. That is it's what makes Kevlar so strong and protective. So just some common examples for you to know.